Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to our pronunciation series. Today, we're tackling a word that can be a bit of a tongue twister. Phenomenon. The meaning of phenomenon is a fact or an event in nature or society, especially one that is not fully understood. In other words, we are not sure why it happened. Phenomenon has 4 syllables. Phenomenon. Phenomenon. The stress falls on the second syllable, the na sound. Come on, say it with me. Phenomenon. Phenomenon. Here's a sentence example. The northern lights are a natural phenomenon. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on your pronunciation and you'll master tricky words like phenomenon. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe so you can receive more pronunciation tips.